ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಲೋ.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಆನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ?
ಹಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸರಿ. ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮುಗಿಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಸೋಫಾರ್.
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್?
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಓದ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿಲ್ವ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆದು ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಓದಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ರಜದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಎತ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ?
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್.
Okay, so let us start this. So few slides will be for the benefit of those who will be seeing the video for the first time. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So this is Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is a free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn free any subject for any class at any place at any time and at any pace. That means at any speed also. You can go slow, you can go fast also, like that. The purpose is everybody should become an eminent scientist, a professor, an engineer or an innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. See, without that, probably this software like Zoom, etc. were not coming at all. So this is an Atmanirbhara initiative. Learn free almost anything in less than a day. That is our aim. So Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology is the free virtual learning center for everybody, irrespective of the geographical location, of intended and invisible or visible students or learners. So those who are online, I will be able to see, so you are visible. Those who are just going through the video, I will not be able to see. They are invisible people. Everybody, whoever is having a burning desire to become an eminent scientist, a professor, an engineer, an innovator, in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way, are welcome to get benefits just by actively participating in the free virtual learning sessions to improve their own productivity by enhancing their own level of knowledge, skill, and attitude to make this world a better place to live in, keeping in mind the best interest of the younger generation. That is about the Matavara Dual Institute of Technology, in short form MDAIT. Active participation in free online virtual tutorial or training classes sessions gives opportunities to all active participants, irrespective of whether they are students or they are learners or even faculty members also, either to ask question in the most unlikely event of getting any doubts or answer questions asked by the other participants also, if any, in spite of the fact that clear, correct, complete explanations are given in all presentations, and hence there are only remote chances for doubts coming in the minds of the participants. The presentation materials are prepared by direct transfer of the ideas, either present or developed during the creation process or preparation from the mind into the digital form in the computer using available software and 80 key keyboard available in the computer, which is used in the preparation of the study materials. However, it is very important to note that because of the simple reason that every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore participants are welcome to use the contents of this presentation made during the virtual session at their own risk, knowing fully well their own personal limitations, if any. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಇಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್. ನಾನು ಎದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಆನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ
ಆನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಆನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ 100 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ ಟು 4-5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ.
So actually the camera is on, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನೋ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್,
So it's on only, sir. I didn't turn off the camera.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ
Sir, 1
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
minute, sir. Mostly ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು
ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಸರಿ, ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
So MDAIT are those who are either directly or indirectly participating or involved or likely to be involved in the creation of the study materials or distribution of the video recordings of the free virtual session, are not at all responsible for any loss or damage caused or likely to be caused to the intended visible or invisible end users, for having used the contents of the presentations made in the free virtual sessions, and hence the end users are welcome to use the contents of these presentations purely at their own risk. ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So method of making use of this free virtual learning sessions which we have organized from MDAIT. The intended and visible or invisible learners are welcome to make use of the free virtual learning opportunities provided by MDAIT by using any one or more methods available to do so. Method 1 is using internet. Interested learners or students or faculty members are welcome to join the free virtual sessions conducted through Zoom by sending their name of the institution, subject or subjects in which they are interested, either to learn or to teach, along with syllabus and model question papers or previous question papers by email addressed to mattavara@yahoo.com to get the joining link to join the free virtual sessions in time. The intended and visible or invisible learners are required to join the free virtual sessions at least 5 minutes before the scheduled time of commencement of every session. Check the working of the speaker, mic and camera and actively participate to get the best benefits out of every session with the camera always keeping on. The intended and visible or invisible learners are required to keep it is not visible here. What is that one?
Which one, sir?
Required to keep
ready with them few sheets of preferable A4 size.
Yeah, ready with them few sheets of preferably A4 size unruled white paper along with a pen or pencil together with a pencil sharpener if necessary. See, if that micro tip pencil adre sharpener bekagilla. Eraser is not required if the learners are perfect in their own work. So graph sheets are required to draw the graphs during the session, and a scientific calculator will be helpful in solving numerical example problems and exercises. Second method is using the recorded videos. Those who could not join the free online virtual sessions for any reason whatsoever are welcome to view the video recordings of the virtual sessions to learn the subject discussed during the virtual sessions, for which link will be supplied always. However, such students or learners or faculty members will not be able to participate interactively with other participants, which is possible only if they participate in the free online virtual session. Video means interaction will not be there, but we will be able to listen and understand the subject. Interested students or learners or faculty members are welcome to download the recorded videos using a USB pen drive, which may be plugged into USB input port of a TV, and view can be made of the lessons on a bigger screen without the need for constant internet connectivity. So it is not required, just plug it to the TV and you can play the video there. Now, what we have learned so far? So we have got the idea that there is something like triangles. Elements of a triangle are 6 in number. 3 are the sides and 3 are the angles. Sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Now I am giving extra information. So this will be the standard method of using the letters in the subject of trigonometry. The sides are indicated by the small letters, small a, small b, small c, like that. Whereas angles, we will use the capital letters capital A, capital B, capital C. So therefore, capital A plus capital B plus capital C is always equal to 180 degree. What is that? We will see in the diagram. So there are also, we have also learned the 6 trigonometrical ratios. In the abbreviated form, we write them as sine within bracket A, reading it as sine of angle A, like that. Similarly, cos of angle A, tan of angle A, cot of angle A, secant of angle A, and cosecant of angle A. So everywhere 3-letter names are used. For cosecant, there is one method where they will write CSC to indicate the cosecant. That is, one letter is skipped. C is written, O is skipped, S is written, E is skipped, and C is written, so that it becomes a 3-letter name. So some of the mathematics books, they will write CSC within bracket A, that is cosecant of angle A. Even some question paper also I have seen. So if the question paper, if they write COSEC for cosecant, you write the same thing. In case they write CSC within bracket A, you write the CSC within bracket A only, like that. So that letter A can be anything else also, like we have seen yesterday. It can be the letter theta from the Greek letter. So in this, A is called an acute angle, generally less than 90 degrees. Now, in any right angle triangle, there is something called hypotenuse. This is the longest side of the triangle. It is the side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle. So, if you write a right angle triangle, know which is that 90-degree angle. The side opposite to that is called as the hypotenuse. So, in short form, we can write HYP, so that we can use abbreviation. So here we are using that idea there, that is, see here the capital letter A is used for this corner. So this angle is angle A. B is here 90-degree angle, this angle. C is this angle. So capital letters ABC, which are marked at the vertices of the triangle, they indicate the angles. So angles capital A, capital B, and C. Whereas sides are marked small letter A, small letter B, small letter C. So the side which is opposite to angle A is written as small letter A here. So small letter A means it is the length BC or length CB. Similarly, the side opposite to angle B is written as small b here. So small b is either this AC or it is CA, which is the hypotenuse, because this angle B is 90 degree here by look itself. Now similarly, the side which is opposite to angle C is called as small letter C here. This means either you can take it the distance as AB or you can take it as BA. Now, sum of the three angles are 180 degrees. This B itself is 90. Therefore, this A plus C must be equal to 90. So, if A is known, B is automatically known. Suppose A is 30 degrees, then C must be 60 degrees, because A plus C must be equal to 90, because this is already 90. Suppose this is 45, then this angle C is also 45. If this angle is 60, then angle C will be 30, like that. You are able to follow? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, angle A, we can also indicate like this, writing a L and write the letters, see B, A, C. You can write that one, or you can write CAB also. That represents this angle A here. You can follow? This one?
Yes, sir.
So, small letters A, B, C, now we have understood what it is.
Sir?
What is the small letter A here in this one?
So it's the middle one, sir.
It is the length of the side BC. Length of the side BC. So, the side which is opposite to capital angle A, capital letter A, is written as small a. So, small a means it is the length, this BC or CB. You can write BC or CB, or you can write A also. So, length of the side which is opposite to the angle A is written as small letter A. Similarly, the length of the side opposite to the angle B is written as small letter B. So, what is small letter B here? It is the length AC or CA. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
What about the small letter C here?
So it's the
Length of the side opposite to angle C. Angle C is this one, capital letter C. Can you see that there?
Yes, sir.
Opposite to that is this one. That means the small letter C is the length either AB or BA. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this triangle, the angle B is either angle ABC or it is CBA. Anyone we can use. Either you can write this way or this way. That is 90 degree. So, small letters ABC indicate the lengths of the sides which are opposite to capital A, capital B, capital C. So, side opposite to capital A is called as small letter A. Similarly, length of the side opposite to angle B is small b. So, since this is B is 90 degree, this small b is the length of the hypotenuse, which is AC or CA in this triangle. Now, the sum of the three angles are always 90 degree, 180 degree. Since B is already 90, sum of A and C must be is equal to 90. So, if A is known, B is automatically known because we subtracted from 90 degree. So, if A is 30 degree, how much is the angle C? If angle A is 30 degrees, what is the angle C?
So if angle A is 30 degree, then angle C you're asking, sir?
If angle A is 30 degrees, how much is angle C?
Sir, 60.
Very good. So, suppose angle A is 45 degrees. How much will be C?
Sir, 45.
Correct. If angle A is 60 degrees, what is angle C?
Sir, 30.
Because angle A plus C is always 90 degree because B is already 90. Is it not in this triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, angle C, you can write it as either you can write ACB or you can write BCA also. So, which is this angle. So, what is the side opposite to angle C? It is small letter C here, which is nothing but the length AB or it is the length BA. So, with respect to any angle, we should be able to identify which is the opposite side, and that length is indicated by the small letter of the angle from which we are looking at it. So, capital letter C the side in front of that angle is small letter C, like that. Now, angle A is there. For this angle, which is the opposite side?
Sir?
For angle A, which is the opposite side?
Sir, BC.
BC or CB or small letter A. All are same thing only. Which is the adjacent side for angle A?
Sir, adjacent side would be AB.
AB. AB or BA or small letter C.
C.
Anything you can use. In this triangle, which is the hypotenuse?
Sir, AC.
AC or CA or small letter B. Because capital letter B is the 90 degree. The side opposite to that is the small letter BA, and that is the hypotenuse. So, suppose we take angle C now, which is the opposite side to angle C.
Sir, AB.
It is AB or BA also we can use, or the small letter C we can use, which is adjacent to angle C.
Adjacent to angle C. CB or BC.
CB or BC, which is also called as small letter A. In this problem also, angle B is 90 degree. So, what is the hypotenuse?
Sir?
In this triangle also, B is the 90 degree angle.
Yes, sir.
Capital B. So, what is the hypotenuse?
Sir, CA or AC.
CA, AC or small letter B also we can use. So, once we know which angle is 90 degree, side opposite to that is called the hypotenuse. So, instead of writing full hypotenuse, we can write HYP. Now, Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse whole square is equal to opposite side whole square plus adjacent side whole square. So, this we are writing it as an abbreviation. Otherwise, it is like length of hypotenuse whole square is equal to length of opposite side whole square plus length of adjacent side whole square. Like that it will be, we can read it. So, using these small letters which is used in this triangle here, B square, B is the hypotenuse, A is opposite to angle A, and small letter C is adjacent to angle A. So, this is with respect to angle A we are writing. So, AC square is BC square plus AB square, or you can write CB square plus BA square also we can write. Now, suppose it is given sine of angle A is 4/5. Find all other trigonometrical ratios. So, how do you find? You write a triangle, mark one of the angle A, which is a acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. Now, it is given equal to 4/5. So, that means numerator will be the opposite side to angle A, and denominator is the hypotenuse. That means opposite side you can mark it as 4 units, and hypotenuse as 5. So once you mark that, you can use the Pythagoras theorem and find the whatever is not known. That means sine of angle A, we know what is the length of the opposite side divided by what is the length of the hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras square, find the length of the adjacent side. So can you work out that one? Can you calculate that one? Huh?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
So sine of A is 4 by 5. So what will be the? So write the hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So how much it came?
So as I wrote the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So as AC has a hypotenuse, it is 5 the whole square, which equals to BC is 4 the whole square plus AB. Adjacent side, we don't know. We have to find it. So AC is equal to 25 is equal to 16 plus AB.
Adjacent square.
Adjacent square.
So what is adjacent square equal to?
So 1 minute, sir. The root 31.
How much is adjacent side?
The 31.
How?
So if we add 25 and 16, we would get 31, sir.
No, that is also wrong. Why?
So then
25 plus 16, is it 31?
the adjacent side would be 41, sir.
No. What is the formula you wrote for Pythagoras theorem?
So hypotenuse square is equal to opposite the whole square plus adjacent the square.
What are the values you have substituted?
So as hypotenuse is 5 the whole square, which is equals to the opposite side is 4. So it would be 4 the whole square. And we have to find the adjacent sides. So as the 5 the whole square is equal to 25. And 4 the whole square is equal to 16. Now it is adjacent. We have to find.
How will you find?
So by adding both of them.
Why you are adding?
So then we have to subtract it.
Now, if it is given, say 25 you got on the left side is equal to 16 plus adjacent square.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is adjacent square? Adjacent square will be this 25 minus of the number 16 which goes to the left side.
So can you write and show me, sir?
That is what? See, you got 25, no?
Yes, sir.
25 equal to 16.
Yes, sir.
Plus adjacent square.
So means root 25 minus 16.
That 16 you have to take it to the left side. Then what happens? It will become 25 minus 16 is equal to adjacent square.
So 25 minus 16.
Is it not? You have to take it to left side, you know. Left side when you take, what happens?
The whole thing will be subtracted.
We have to subtract.
Okay, sir. Right.
So 25 minus 16 is equal to adjacent square.
Okay, sir.
So what is 25 minus 16?
So 9.
So 9 is equal to adjacent square. Or we can write adjacent square is equal to 9 anta ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
So what is adjacent side?
So root 9. Okay,
How
sir.
much is that?
So root 9.
Root 9 is how much?
So root 3.
Square root of 9. 3.
So root 3, sir.
So length of adjacent side is 3 units. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So in the triangle, what we have ABC there, you write the numbers at the sides. Where small ABC is there, you write the numbers what you have got, 5, 4 and 3.
Yes, sir.
So what will you write there? In place of A, what you write?
Sir, in place of A,
small letter A.
I will write 5.
4.
4.
Because sine of angle A means what? Length of the opposite side to the angle A.
Okay, sir. So, and in the place of B, 5. In the place of C, 3.
In place of small letter C, it will be 3.
Okay, sir.
In place of small letter A, it will be in place of small letter A, what will you write?
So in the place of small letter B.
Small letter B, what will you write?
5.
5. What about small letter A?
So 4.
Now you know all the 3 sides of the triangle, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Now can you write what is cos A, tan A, cot
Yes,
A,
sir.
secant A, cosecant A?
Yes, sir.
You see the numbers and write it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So can you give me 10 minutes, sir?
Yeah. Now you can write what is cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cosecant A.
So I have one doubt, sir. So I have doubt.
Tell me.
So now if there are no common factors, what shall we do, sir? So now if there are no common factors in dividing, sir, then what can we do?
No, whatever comes you write as it is. See, this given problem what he has said, sin A is equal to 4 by 5.
Yes, sir.
So you have to find what is cos A, tan A, etc. Whatever fraction comes, you keep it. That's all.
Okay, sir.
So what is cos A?
So cos A is equal to 3 by 5.
Huh?
Sir?
Cos of angle A is how much?
The cos of angle A is the length of the side of adjacent angle,
Length,
which
length
is
of
3,
adjacent side to angle A divided by
length of the hypotenuse, which is 5. 3 by 5.
Correct.
So tan of angle A, tan of angle A has the length of the opposite side of angle A, which is 4, divided by the length of the hypotenuse,
No.
divided by the length of the side adjacent angle to A, which is 3.
Length of the side adjacent to angle A.
Which is 3. Which is 4:3. 4 by 3.
4 by 3. Correct.
Now,
what is cot A?
Cot A, 1 by tan. 1 by tan means 3 by 4.
Correct.
Cosecant.
What is secant A?
Secant A, which is 1 by cosine A, cosine of angle A, which is 5:3.
No, secant A. Secant A is what?
The 5 by 3.
Secant A is 5 by 3. Okay. What is cosecant A?
The 5 by 4.
Correct. Now, you find out sin of angle C, cos of angle C, tan of angle C, cot of angle C, secant of angle C, cosecant of angle C for the same problem. Can you write now?
Sir?
For the same problem,
Yes, sir.
you write what is sin of angle C, cos of angle C, tan of angle C, cot of angle C, secant of angle C, and cosecant of angle C. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write it. So that if you understand this, that means you are understanding everything. What is sin of angle C?
Sir, sine of angle C is the length of the opposite side of angle C divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Sir?
So how much it is? Sine of angle C.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, can you give me 10 minutes? I will prepare and I will tell you.
No, you write the same triangle and the same numbers. So earlier we have worked for angle A. Now we will find out for angle C for the same triangle.
Sir.
You write the same triangle ABC.
Yes, sir.
With the same numbers that what you have got. That is hypotenuse is 5. The length of side opposite to A is 4. Length of side opposite to C is 3. Now, for angle C, write all of the trigonometrical ratios like sin C, cos C, tan C, cot C, secant C, and cosecant C.
Yes, sir.
Write it and tell me what it is. Because if you understand this, you will be able to understand everything. All problems you can solve. Otherwise, you cannot. In the book, everywhere is writing right triangle. You always change it as and write it as right angled triangle, you write. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
In your handwriting, you always write right angled triangle. Book, they are written right triangle only. So right angled triangle will give better meaning. So what is sin C? Sin of angle C? Hello?
Sir?
What is sin C?
Sir, 3 by 5.
Correct. What is cos C?
4 by 5.
What is tan C?
3 by 4.
Correct. What is cot C?
Sir, that I'm doing, sir.
So how much is cot C?
So 4/5.
Cot C.
4/5.
No. What is the definition of cot C?
So
It
the
is
length of side adjacent angle to
length of the
length of the side adjacent to angle C.
Angle C,
Which is
divided by
divided by the length the length of the length of the side opposite to angle C.
Correct. So it will be
So 1 minute. So 3/5.
no. So are you writing cot of angle C?
Yes, sir.
Equal to what you will write in the numerator, what you will write in the denominator. Cot of angle C equal to
The numerator is so as the numerator is the length of the side opposite to angle C.
no. For cot of angle C is equal to what?
The reciprocal of tan A.
What is tan A?
So 5/3.
No. What is tan A? Tan C.
Tan C is length of the
Tan
side.
C is no. Cot C is what? What you have written?
The cot C. I have written 3/5.
No. How did you write that? Cot C you are writing. What is cot C equal to definition? What should come in the numerator? What should come in the denominator?
So has cot A is equal to 1/tan A. Now,
No. We want the cot C.
Cot C only, sir. The length of the side adjacent to angle C. Adjacent to angle C means it is AB, no, sir? Sir, for C, the adjacent side would be AB, no, sir?
Which is the adjacent side to angle C?
AC.
No.
BC.
Yeah.
BC.
Is it not?
Wait,
What is side opposite to angle C?
Opposite to angle C. AC.
No.
AB.
Yeah. Why? Because side AB is opposite to angle C.
Okay, so means if it is
side BC is adjacent to angle C.
So whether If we take from angle A or angle C, it
No,
will be
we
same.
want now only angle C. That is, we want sine of angle C, cos of angle C, tan of angle C, cot of angle C, secant of angle C, cosecant of angle C.
So means from cot. So from cot I'm not able to get, sir.
That is why I want you to understand this. See, cot of angle C is equal to, have you written sine of angle C?
So 4 by
Sine of
3.
angle C, have you written?
Yes, sir. So 4 by 3?
No. Sine of angle C.
Yes.
How much?
So now sine of angle 3 will be the length of the side as adjacent to angle C.
See, I don't know what you are doing. See, what you do is, write a triangle like this given in the sketch on the paper. Fresh, you write a triangle like how it is shown in the sketch.
Yes,
on
sir.
on the screen. So there, you write the small letter A, small letter B, small letter C by the numbers that you have calculated. Can you write it?
So I have written it, sir.
How much you have written in place of A? Small letter A, what you have written? Equal to what?
Four.
Correct. What is the small letter B equal to?
5.
5. What is the small letter C is equal to?
3.
Now, for that triangle, you write what is sine of angle C. Sine of angle C is equal to how much? So there will be a numerator divided by, there is a denominator.
So 3 by 4.
See, you are writing sine of angle C.
So
It is
can you tell the answer, sir?
Equal to what you write in the numerator divided by what you write in the denominator. Sine of angle C means how will you write?
C, B, C. So this, so 3 by 4.
No, don't tell simply like that. See, you write it like what I am going to tell, okay?
So no, sir, I have written, sir, the length
Sine of angle C is equal to,
yes, sir.
you draw a horizontal line there.
Yes, sir.
Numerator, you write length of the side which is opposite to angle C.
Yes, sir.
Divided by length of the hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
That is the sine of the angle C.
4 by 5.
So how much you got now?
4 by 5.
Wrong. See, what is the numerator?
The adjacent side of C is BC, no, sir?
No, you want to find out sine of angle C. Sine of angle C is equal to length of the side which is opposite to angle C divided by length of the hypotenuse. That is the formula.
Okay, sir.
So, what you will write in the numerator, what you will write in the denominator?
So in numerator it will be 3.
Numerator, how much you will write?
3.
What you write?
Denominator 5.
Correct. You're able to follow or you're not able to follow?
Sir, I'm able now, sir.
So now you write what is cos of the angle C is equal to what in the numerator, what in the denominator. Write the wordings correctly till you practice it. Afterwards, it can be remembered in the mind. So what is cos of the angle C?
So 3 by 5.
Huh?
3 by 5.
No. Cos of the angle C we want. So what do you write for cos of the angle C is equal to? What you have to write in the numerator, what you have to write in the denominator?
So 4 by 5.
Why? Because you write in the numerator length of the side adjacent to angle C divided by length of the hypotenuse. That is for cos of the angle C.
So for cot, what is the answer, sir? For cot C.
No. But first you tell me for cos. COS, cos of angle C is equal to what did you write?
4 by 5.
That is okay. Now, how much is tan of angle C?
3 by 4.
What is cot of angle C? Here, you write there on paper, cot of angle C is equal to, you draw a line, horizontal line. Numerator, you write length of the adjacent side to angle C divided by length of the opposite side to angle C.
So 4 by 3.
Correct. Now we can write what is secant of angle C. So secant of angle C is equal to draw a horizontal line. Numerator what will you write? Denominator what you will write?
5 by 4.
5 by 4. Correct. So what is cosecant of angle C?
5 by 3.
Correct. Have you followed or not? Simply telling something.
No, sir, I have followed.
Okay, very good. Now, can you do another problem?
Yes, sir.
Now you take sin of A is equal to, here we have 2 by 5, you know.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, you take 2 by 3.
Where, sir?
This one more problem you write like this.
Okay, sir.
And there, sin A is equal to, instead of 4 by 5, you write it as 2 divided by 3.
Okay, sir.
Then find all other ratios of angle A.
Can you give me 10 minutes, sir?
That means you have to repeat the whole procedure. That means sin A is equal to 2 by 3. Then draw a triangle like this and find the other side using the Pythagoras theorem. Once you find that, all the three sides are known. So you can find out sin of angle A, cos of angle A, tan of angle A, cot of angle A, secant of angle A, cosecant of angle A. Whether you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So what you have written? Sine of angle A is equal to 2 by 3.
So 1 minute, sir. Sir, finish, sir. So now I have applied, in the place of small a, I have written 2. And in the... Sir?
Tell me.
So now we have A, B and C, no, sir? In the place of small a, I have written 2.
Correct.
In the place of small b, I have written 3. Now we have to find C by using Pythagoras theorem.
Correct.
Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Now AC, the hypotenuse, which is 3 the whole square, which is equal to BC, which is 2 the whole square, plus the adjacent side, which is AB the whole square. Now 3 the whole square, which is 9, which equals to 2 the whole square, which is 4, plus the adjacent side AB the whole square. Now 9 is now if we take the adjacent side towards the left, it will be 5. Now adjacent side, which is AB, which equal to root 5.
Correct.
Now the small c is root 5.
Yeah.
So now we have to find
Sin A, cos A,
sin
tan
A
A,
and tan A and
all
cot
of them.
A.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So can I find out it and tell you, sir?
Yeah. So how much you are getting?
So 1 minute, sir.
So sin A is already given. It is 2 by 3. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So what is cos A?
So 1 second. Yes, sir. So sin A is 2 by 3.
That I have given.
Yes,
so
sir.
what is cos A?
So root 5 by 3.
Correct. What is tan A?
So 2 by root 5.
Correct. What is cot A?
Root 5 by 2.
Huh?
Root 5 by 2.
Correct. What is secant A?
3 by root 5.
What is cosecant A?
So 3 by 2.
Correct.
So can I find for angle C?
Yeah. Now you find out what is sin C, cos
Yes.
C, tan C, cot C, secant C, cosecant C.
Yes, sir. So for sin C, so it is root 5 by 3. So for cos C, it is 2 by 3. For tan C, it is 5 root 5 by 2.
Correct.
So for cot C, it is 2 by root 5.
Correct.
For secant C, it is 3 by 2. For
cosecant C.
Cosecant C, it is 3 by root 5. 3 by root 5.
Correct. Now you have understood?
Yes, sir.
So now depending on any one trigonometrical ratio given, we can construct a triangle, find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. When all the sides are known, we can find sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant for angle A, sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant for angle C also. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you want to try one more problem?
So can you give it as homework, sir?
You can try it now also, still some time is there. If this is understood, you will be able to understand all the future lessons. That's why I am giving. So, we will change the letter here, okay? You write the triangle.
Yes, sir.
Don't write capital A, capital B, capital C at the corner. You
Yes,
write P, Q, R. Instead of A, you write P, capital P.
Yes, sir.
Instead of B, you write capital Q.
Yes, sir.
Instead of C, you write capital R.
Yes, sir.
Now, sin of angle P. Sin of angle P is
the PQ?
PQR. Instead of ABC is a triangle, you make
Okay,
it
sir.
PQR.
Yes, sir.
So that you will have a idea of different letters also when they are coming. So draw a right angle triangle PQR and Q is the 90-degree angle.
Yes, sir.
Now, if sin P is equal to 2 by 5, sin P is equal to 2 by 5, find all other trigonometric ratios.
Yes, sir.
Try it, let us see. If you understand this, then all problems in the chapter you can work. This is very, very important. That's why I am asking you to work it only. If I just keep on telling everything, you will not learn anything. Only when you practice it, you will get the correct idea. So you have drawn the triangle PQR?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Draw the right angle triangle PQR with angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Sir. Now, it is given sin of angle P is equal to 2 by 5.
Yes, sir. Done.
So now what you have to do is find the other side using this Pythagoras theorem.
So if the sine P is equal to 2 by 5, in the place of P, I have written 2. In the place of Q, I have written 5. R we have to find by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. Now PR square, the hypotenuse, which is the 5 whole square, is equal to QR which is the opposite sides, which is 2 the whole square, plus P square, which is the adjacent sides.
Correct.
Now the 5 the whole square is 25 is equal to 2 the whole square is 4 plus the adjacent side, which is P square.
Correct.
Now if we bring the adjacent side towards the left, it will be the EQ the whole square, which equals to 21. So EQ is equal to root 21.
Correct. Very good.
So can you give me time to find the sin A, cos A and tan A?
Yeah. So cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cosecant A.
Yes, sir.
You have to find how much it is. There will be minimum 10 to 15 marks question in this topic. So to find cos P, tan P, cot P.
So 1 second, sir.
Secant P and cosecant P. Because our triangle is PQR now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, now has sine P is equal to 2 by 5, which is
Correct.
given already.
That is given, yeah.
Cos P is equal to root 21 by 5. Tan P is equal to 2 by root 21.
Correct.
Cot P is equal to root 21 by 2. Secant P is equal to 5 divided by 5 by root 21. Cosecant E is equal to 5 by 2.
Correct. Very good. Now,
So can I find angle R?
Yeah. Now, sine of angle R, cos of angle R, tan of angle R, cot of angle R, secant of angle R, and cosecant of angle R. These things you find.
Okay,
That
sir.
means, if you can find, that means you have understood the procedure.
So from tomorrow we can start the problems.
Yeah. Sine of R, cos of R, tan of R, cot of R, secant of R, cosecant of R.
Yes, sir. Yeah? Finish, sir. Sine of angle R is equal to root 21 by 5.
Correct.
Cos of angle R is equal to 2 by 5. Tan of angle R is equal to root 21 by 2. Cot of angle R is equal to 2 by root 21. Secant of angle R is equal to 5 by 2. Cosecant of angle R is equal to 5 by root 21.
Very good. Now we have understood the procedure. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you want for homework, you can take this
Okay,
homework.
sir.
So you write the triangle just like what I have given.
Yes, sir.
But the name you write something like capital E, capital F, capital G.
One more time.
So EFG is a right angle triangle with angle capital F is equal to 90 degree.
Capital F is equal to 90 degree. Okay, sir.
EFG is a right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
With angle F is equal to 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now, given say sine of angle G, sine of angle G
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 2 by 7.
Yes, sir.
So find out the third side and cos G, tan G,
So
cot
I have
G,
doubts, sir.
yeah, cot G,
Sir, G. Sir,
secant G.
G. Sir,
Yeah.
I have to find G or E, sir.
I want to see this is the triangle EFG.
Okay, sir.
F is the 90 degree angle.
Okay, sir.
Given sine of angle G is 2 by 7.
Yes, sir.
So find the remaining side and calculate cos of G, tan of G, cot of G, secant of G, cosecant of G.
Yes, sir.
Afterwards, you can find sine of E, cos of E, tan of E,
Yes, sir.
cot of E,
Yes, sir.
secant of E,
Yes, sir.
cosecant of E.
Yes, sir.
So this you can do as homework and send that, write it clearly on the paper.
Yes, sir.
And all around there should be space, otherwise I cannot see here. It will go to the edge. So
Okay, sir.
on the paper, give a margin of 1 inch all round.
Yes, sir.
And inside you write with the black color gel pen so that clarity will be there.
Okay, sir.
And always use the plain white paper.
Yes, sir.
So that you can put the horizontal line wherever you want.
Yes, sir.
So write the definitions, etc. correctly, and then put the values, etc. And
Yes.
you can send it to me by WhatsApp so that I will go through. If you have understood this much, then all problems in this topic you can do. There will be 10 to 15 marks question in this topic. 10 marks will be definite. You should get all the 10 marks.
Yes, sir.
So that is why one chapter at a time we have to finish it. Then only we can go for another subject or another chapter.
Yes, sir.
So this you please do this correctly and send it to me.
Yes, sir.
Then we will plan for the next class. Probably tomorrow is Saturday, no? Tomorrow I have another program. So tomorrow may not be possible. So Sunday I will try to give you some time.
Okay, sir.
So by that time, you go through this chapter only in the book. You can read further things also. With this idea, if you understand, it is fine. If there is something difficult in understanding, note down. That next class, I will give you the idea of that one, and you will be able to follow very easily. Then in the exercises, you will be able to do all the questions. So we have to do few more pages there. Once you do that, you will be able to work all the problems given in the book, both exercises as well as the worked examples.
So can I ask you one question, sir? So what job you do, sir? So what job you do?
I am teaching. I am teaching from last so many years.
So are you scientist, sir?
Yeah, I teach any subject for any class.
So no, sir. Sir, are you a scientist?
Yes, I am a scientist. I am an engineer. I am an innovator. I am a professor.
So no, sir. Sir, here you have given you're a scientist.
Where?
Sir, here
So I am all in one. That's why I want everybody to become a scientist, everybody to become a professor, everybody to become an engineer, everybody to become an innovator, because I am all of them. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir. So to become a scientist, how many years does it take, sir?
It won't. You have to complete the degree. That's all.
So that's it.
Ah.
So after degree, then, sir?
Once the degree is there, you will be able to do the work in that area. What degree you have done? If you have done engineering, you can become engineer. You can become a professor. You can also become scientist. You can also become innovator.
So what does innovator mean, sir?
Innovator means inventing something new. See, routine something is being done in the kitchen, is it not?
Yes, sir.
By changing the ingredients, you can find a new variety.
Yes, sir.
That is called innovation. That is finding something new. See, we had this all petrol engine, diesel engine like that. Now everything is replaced by electric vehicles. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So that means there must be battery technology, there will be electric motors coming there. There will be no engine silencer, there is no gearbox and other things. No engine oil, things like this, because engine itself is not there. Like that, finding something new is the innovation. So, by studying what is happening in the surroundings, if you can change that one to a simpler one, or which is a cheaper one, think like that, that means you are inventing something new. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
That is called invention. So you will be able to do all this. You please do this homework and send it to me. Plus, you read only this book and this chapter and next chapter. So this one, after completing, we can go for any other subject or any other chapter here also. Because mathematics, you have to work and practice. That is why first you have to take mathematics. Other places only words, sentences, paragraphs will be there. And writing of the sketches. Calculations part will be less. So therefore, this one will give you thinking to the brain. So yesterday you were telling instead of root 3, you are telling 3 root. Today you are telling correctly root of 21. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So like that, you have to learn small thing at a time. It takes time. It is not instantaneous. And I am giving you a very step by step here, and I want you to follow it. So if you are following means, that means this method is working. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
If you simply see the video of anybody else produced, it will not help you, because he will keep on telling continuously whether anybody understands or not. But here I am asking you whether it is you are able to follow, not following, or anything like that. Give better another example. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I am doing. And if still there is difficulty, this recorded video also I will give you. You go through it again, so that there will be no doubts in your mind. And once you understand, you will be expert in that one, and you will not forget it at all. Once you work several times, repeat like this, everything will be in the mind. You cannot erase what is in the human mind. You try to forget something which is in the mind, you will not be able to forget, you will remember more. So practicing is very, very important. So you try this problem, plus you go through the same topic and the next topic also. If you can follow something with this background, it is fine. If there is difficulty, anyway, I will explain you further pages which are there. Then you will be able to do all the worked examples as well as the exercises given for practice. Plus, you can take any past question papers, you will be able to answer all of them. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So that means we can close for today.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow it is not possible. Maybe Sunday I will try to give you some time.
Okay, sir.
So by the time you revise everything, go through all these things. Once more you can go through the video also. And any doubts are there, you get it clarified. Then try to see whether you can read the further pages. If it is possible, it is fine. If it is not possible, I will explain in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is fine. So we will close here.